Yeah, here question number 11. The diagram shows a right angle triangle ABC. Area of triangle is ABC is 240. Work out the perimeter of ABC. Here first area as we know the formula is going to be area is half into base into height. So area is given, which is 240 equal to half into the base is AB. AB already given, which is 30 times the height is going to be AC. So next I'll bring 2 here, so 240 times 2, 30 is here, which is equal to AC. And now this is going to be 8, so 16 equal to AC. So we got this is going to be 16 here. So now it's a right angle triangle. As we know, thirds we have two sides. We can find the third side. We'll use the Pythagoras. So hypotenuse square BC square equal to other two sides 6 square plus 30 square, which is BC equal to square root of 16 square plus 30 square, which is going to be square root of 1156, which is 34. So we know this side is going to be 34. So final we need to find the perimeter. Perimeter of triangle ABC equal to, we should add all the sides, 16 plus 30 plus 34. So which is going to be 60, 70, 80. So 80 is the final answer. This answer is 80. Next question 12. Complete the table of values for y equal to the equation is given. So here we need to find when x equal to 1. So when you plug in 1, so it will become 1 by 2 into 1 plus 4 over 1. So 1 by 2, when we take 1 plus 4 is going to be 5 by 2, which is 5 by 2, so 2.5. So this answer is going to be 2.5. Next, when you plug in 2 here, so 1 by 2 into 2 plus 4 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 plus 4 by 2 become 2. So 1 by 2 into 4, so it's 4 by 2, which is 2. So here answer is 2. Next, draw the graph. So we need to plug in these points here. First is 0.5 and 4.25. So as we know, this is our 0.5. This is 0.5 x-axis, y-axis 4 point. This is 5. This 5. So 4.25 is here. Next, 2.5, 1 and 2.5 is here. 2 and 2 is going to be here. Next 3 and 2.17. 3 and 2.17 approximate is here. Next 4 and 2.5. 4 and 2.5 is here. Then 5 and 2.9. 2.9 is supposed to be something here. Next 6 and 3.33. So 3.33 somewhere here. So the graph is going to be just, it's a curve. We should connect all the points with the pencil. Just draw freehand drawing. That's a curve. Next part C. By drawing a suitable line on the grid, find the estimate for the solution of the equation x plus 4 by x equal to 6. So the given equation is y equal to 1 by 2. Given equation y equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 4 by 6. X plus 4 over x. Now this equation is given x plus 4 by x equal to 6. This I'll write x plus 4 by x equal to 3 times 2. So bring 2 this side. So 1 by 2 into x plus 4 by x equal to 3. This is nothing, that is the entire thing equal to y. So I can write y equal to 3. Just draw y equal to 3 here, this graph. Here y equal to 3, this is the graph here. So now how many times they intersect to the graph, that is a solution. So first is intersect approximate here. So I can write is like 0.8. So one solution is going to be 0.8. Another solution is going to be it is 5, after this 5.2. So is here like 5.2. So x equal to 0.8 and x equal to 5.2. That is the solution. Okay, next question number 13. Simplify fully this exponent form. So here 125 whole power 2 by 3, then x power 6 into 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 we have to take the 2, then y power 15 into 2 by 3. So 125 whole power 2 by 3. So first I'll take 125 over 1 by 3 whole square. 1 by 3 is nothing, that is cube root. Cube root of 125 is going to be 5. So 5 square, which is 25. So this entire answer is going to be 25. Then x power 6 into 2 by 3. So when I simplify, 6 times 2 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. So x power 4 over here, 15 times 2 is 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So y power 10. That's the final answer. 25 x power 4 over y power 10. Next one, given 4 power n equal to, so we need to find n in terms of m and p. So 4 power n equal to 4 power m into 64 power negative p. So I'll bring it everything up. So 4 power m, this one 64 I can write as a 4 cube whole power negative p. So which is 4 power n equal to 4 power m into 4 power negative 3p. So 4 power n equal to, here multiply we should add, so 4 power m minus 3p together. Now compare both the side, n equal to m minus 3p. So one base. So I can compare m equal to n equal to m minus 3p. That's the answer, m minus 3p. Next, the cumulative frequency graph shows information about the heights of 40 plants that grid has given. Okay, use the graph, find the estimate, find the median. So median, so we have 40 plants given, 40 plants. So median is half. Just make it half, which is 20. Just draw a line here. So just go down. So the answer is going to be so 20, 25, 27. So first is going to be 27 centimeter. Next is use the graph to find and estimate interquartile range of the height. Interquartile range is upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Quartile 3 minus the quartile 1. Quartile 3 is nothing, that is 3/4 of the data. 3/4 of 40. 3/4 of 40 is going to be, this is 10, this is 30. So just go with 30. So exactly this is 35. So upper quartile is 35 and lower quartile is 1/4 of 40. 1/4 of 40, which is going to be 10. So just go 10 and find out here, which is going to be so here is 18, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18. So 35 minus 18. The answer is 17. So the interquartile range is going to be 17. Next, here plants with the height greater than 40 cm are premium plants. Guitar cells are the plants at the 30 euros each. Work out the total amount. So 40 cm and above is going to be 40 cm and above. So which is here. So here to here, total which is 30, 35, 34 to 40, 40 minus 34. So 40 minus 34, which is 6 plants. So each one is 30 euros. So amount equal to 6 times 30, which is 180. So the answer is 180 euros. Next question 15. Here first angle, there is a circle theorem question. Angle DAB is 48 degree. Work out the size of obtuse angle DOB. DOB. So we need to find this angle. So as we know, this is 48, just this is double, so it's going to be 96. So the answer is 96. So give the reason of the angle. So angle at the circumference is of angle at center. Okay, that's a reason. Okay, so next one, work out the size of the angle of BCD. BCD is going to be here. So again 48, and this, when you do opposite, when this ABCD is a quadrilateral, so the opposite angle always is 180 degrees. So this is 180 minus 48. So we will get the answer. So 180 minus 48, 180 degree minus 48, which is 32. 132. So the answer is 132 degree. Also give the reason. Reason is going to be opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180 degree. Next one, question number 16. Use algebra to show that 0.378, this is a recurring, 78 is recurring, so 25 over 36. So first we'll take x equal to 0.37878 is keep repeating, 78 keep going. So first I'll multiply by x, so this is 3.7878 is keep going on. So keep multiply by 10, so after decimal should be same. So now 100x, so there is, we multiply one more 10 here, so it's 37.878787 is keep going. So next is nothing is matching after decimal, so again I have to go for 10 more multiplies, so which is 1000x equal to, so I have to go 378.787878 is keep going. Now this is matching because after decimal all 78787, here also after decimal, so I need to subtract this equation and this equation. I am subtracting here, so 1000x minus 10x equal to 378 minus 37 only. Minus 3, because we took this equation minus this, because only this 2 has now after decimal is same, after decimal is the same place. So when we subtract the after decimal all be gone, so only 378 minus 3, left side 1000x minus 10x will be there. So here 1000x minus 10x is going to be 990x equal to 378 minus 3, 375. So x equal to 375 over 990. So just simplify the answer, you will get 25 over 66. That's the final answer. Next question, question number 18. T is inversely proportional to square root of m. So T is inversely proportional to 1 by square root of m. So T value, m value is given. Find the formula T in terms of m. So I'll take T when we make equal. So there's a constant we need to multiply square root of m. I'll substitute the value, we'll find out k. So T equal to 15 equal to k over square root of 36. So which is 15 equal to k over square root 6. Multiply here. So 15 times 6 equal to k. So which is 60, 30, 90 equal to k. So we got the k value, just substitute back, so we'll get the final answer. Here you have to substitute T equal to k is 90 over square root of m. That's right, T formula in terms of m, that's the final answer. This is m. Next question 18. Venn asked 40 students which of the language Latin, Greek and Sanskrit the study. The Venn diagram shows the result, shows number of students each subset. One of these students is selected at random. Work out the probability the student studies Latin or Sanskrit. Okay, first there are 40 students, so when you add up all, so we'll get 40. So we'll find out x then. 5 plus x plus 7 plus 2x plus 4x plus 14 equal to 40. So 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 14, which is going to be 26 plus 3x plus 4, which is 7x equal to 40. So next 7x equal to 40 minus 26. So 7x equal to 14. So x equal to 14 over 7. So x equal to 2. So we got 2. But here work out the probability the student is Latin or Sanskrit. So Latin total is 5 plus x. So L equal to 5 plus x, which is 5 plus 2, total 7. So we got Latin equal to total 7 students. Then next we'll find out Sanskrit. Sanskrit equal to 2x plus 4x, which is 6x. So 6 times 2, which is going to be 12. So Sanskrit total 12. Now Latin or Sanskrit, okay, so which is the probability of Latin or Sanskrit, so both together, so which is 7 plus 12 over total number of students is 40, so which is 90 over 40. So answer is 19 over 40. Next question number 19. The function f and g are such that f of x is given, g of x is given, so g of 3. So g function, just plug in 3. G of 3 equal to 3, wherever x is there we have to place it 3. So 3 over 2 times 3 minus 1, which is 3 over 6 minus 1, which is 3 over 5. So the answer is 3 over 5. Next, find a g of f of x. This is composite function. G of f of x equal to f in g. So f we have to put as in g. So f function we have to put in g. So it will become g of f of x. So 3x minus 2. So wherever in g function, wherever x is there, we need to replace 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 over 2 into 3x minus 2 minus 1, which is 3x minus 2 over, so expand this, 6x minus 4 minus 1, which is 3x minus 2 over 6x minus 5. That's the final answer, 3x minus 2 over 6x minus 5. Next, question 20. Here is the quadratic equation. So solution is given. The solution also is given. So in the quadratic equation, a and c is missing. So find the value of a and c. Show your working clearly. So first I'll take the given quadratic equation, ax square plus 4x plus c equal to 0. As we know the quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So I will here, instead of a's place there is a a as only, b's place there is a 4, and c's place there is c. So I'll apply here minus b. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square. B square is 4 square. 4 square is 16 minus 4ac. 4 into a into c over 2 times a. Okay, so we'll write this way, plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4ac over 2a. This is our x. But question, there is another, the solution is given, which is x equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 39 over 10. So we are going to compare. So what I'll do now, here I'll bring the 2 inside the square root. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of, so 2 root 39. So I can write this one 39. When I bring this 2 inside, it will become 4. 4 times 39. So square root of, so 4 times 39 is going to be 12, then 30, 156. So I can write 156 over 10. Now I'll compare this 4. This is this quadratic solution, and this one, the question, the solution is given. So here denominator is 2a, here denominator is 10. So 2a equal to 10. So a equal to 5. So we got our first solution, a equal to 5. Next, square root of inside 16 minus So 16 minus 4ac equal to, so square root inside, here we have 156, so just comparison both. So here minus 4ac equal to, I'll bring the 16 here, 156 minus 16. So minus 4a already we know, which is 5, times c equal to 156 minus 16 is going to be 140. So minus 20c equal to 140, c equal to 140 over negative 20, which is going to be c equal to negative 7. So c is negative 7. So that's the answer for question number 20.